Single best Ed Hyman chart. Let's do it again. We're going to redux what we just did. It is so important. This again off the great work of the Stanford PhD, Dean Mackey of Barclays, and Steve Cohen's 0.72. Down we go to an exceptional 3.5% unemployment rate. The forecast of Edward S. Hyman. Francine?
Yeah, Tom, I just want to hear more about this. 3.5 unemployment by next year, Tom. This took me by surprise. I know it took you by surprise. I just want to hear a little bit more from Ed. Where are the industries that will lose the most jobs?
Well, Francine, let me explain how I get there. Earlier, we looked at the unemployment claims, if you remember that chart, down so much. And the unemployment rate and unemployment claims stack up pretty closely. And so the unemployment claims are the ticket to why I think unemployment is going to come down to 3.5%. The places that jobs are being created are, as I mentioned earlier, in the healthcare, higher education, the tech space, the new tech space, and then sports and entertainment. Those are the places where local economies are being driven.
I mean, the claims chart here, Francine, is extraordinary. Again, this is claims adjusted for population growth in America. And Ed, it really talks about one part of America. You mentioned earlier bringing the bottom up as well. Is that done by policy or within a Lacqian society? Is it done by the corporations and investment?
It's now become organic. We're in a self-feeding expansion. That's the end. Toward the end of it, it becomes pulling in. But right now, these sectors that I mentioned are coming together, and you also have the millennials, and they're driving things. They're giving an energy to local economies, like Denver is just sort of booming.
In the time we've got left, I want to know your thoughts on the future of global Wall Street in New York, in London, and for that matter, in our other geographies like Hong Kong and Dubai.
Yeah, it's pretty tough. The whole financial services business, on the buy side, on the sell side, it's a tough industry. I'm not sure it's going to get any better.
Within the buy side, are they still going to buy Ed Hyman research? I mean,
I hope so.
This is important.
at a lower scale.
At a lower scale. Roger Altman. In bonus, Roger, Ed Hyman's with us, and the Red Sox are in first place. Francine.